Hey, sexy Luna. What is it? What? You got a hamburger? Fat ass. It's a fat burger. It's a fat burger. Give it. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at the couches you destroyed. Shall we? Shall we? Couch number 1. Oh, let's go over here. 2. Couch number 2. Got a nice gaping hole in there. And she also ruined this thing. This little ottoman thingy. Yeah, you. You did it. You did it. Luna, hang your head in shame. Hang your head in shame. Stop watching American Idol. And hang your head in shame. Are you done? Good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Pretty girl. Aww. Say bye. Good night.